Oh, we've got to learn to steer. There you go. Well, maybe you're going to hit your door, I think. Here. Oh, you're going to... Let's take it in the living room, face. Hold on. Down the hall. Back and forth. This is like your 5th trip, kiddo. You tired? What happened? Is that the light come on? Are you stuck? Uh-huh.